Turkey has achieved another significant milestone in the global defense and aerospace industry with the successful flight test (UCAV) test of its next-generation unmanned combat aircraft, the Bayraktar. This achievement confirms Turkey's position as a leading nation in the development of highly capable unmanned combat aircraft technology, designed to meet the challenges of modern warfare in the air, sea, and on land. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA was developed by Baykar, a Turkish defense technology company already known internationally for its successful Bayraktar TB2 and AKINCI UAVs. However, the KIZILELMA represents a far greater technological leap. Designed as a jet-powered unmanned combat aircraft with high maneuverability, high speed, and stealth characteristics, one of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA's key strengths lies in its low observability design. The fuselage is designed to minimize radar reflection, allowing the KIZILELMA to penetrate enemy air defenses with a very low level of detectability. Another advantage that distinguishes the KIZILELMA from other combat UAVs is its ability to operate from short-strip carriers, including amphibious assault ships like the Turkish Navy's TC. It features short takeoff and landing STOL capabilities. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA is designed to reach near supersonic speeds, making it one of the fastest UCAVs in the world. This high speed provides advantages in interception, escort, and rapid attack missions against high-value targets. The core of the KIZILELMA's sophistication lies in its artificial intelligence system and high-level autonomy. This aircraft is capable of autonomous takeoff and landing, tight formation flight without human intervention, target identification, classification and prioritization, and tactical decision-making based on real-time sensor data. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA is equipped with an internal weapons compartment capable of carrying a variety of Turkish-made smart munitions, such as short and medium-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and smart munitions for land and sea attacks. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA represents a significant milestone in the development of Turkish air defense technology. Developed by Baykar Technologies, this unmanned combat aerial vehicle (UCAV) is designed as a next-generation platform capable of carrying out high-risk combat missions without the involvement of a human pilot. The arrival of the KIZILELMA marks a major transformation in modern air warfare doctrine, particularly in the integration of artificial intelligence, stealth technology, and autonomous operations. The successful test of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA drone has far-reaching strategic implications. For Turkey, this project strengthens the independence of its national defense industry and reduces dependence on foreign technology. Globally, the KIZILELMA challenges the dominance of major powers in the development of unmanned fighter aircraft. Many military analysts believe that the presence could transform future air warfare doctrine. With the combination of manned and unmanned aircraft becoming the new standard, risks to pilots can be minimized, while operational effectiveness and flexibility are increased. The successful test of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA drone marks a new era for modern-generation unmanned fighter aircraft. With its stealthy design, high performance, advanced artificial intelligence, and carrier-based capabilities, the KIZILELMA is a symbol of Turkey's advanced defense technology. The international military community will continue to pay close attention to the development of this aircraft, which has the potential to become one of the most revolutionary unmanned combat platforms of the 21st century. The successful test of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA drone demonstrated the readiness of its aerodynamic design, avionics system, and jet engine integration. During the flight test, the KIZILELMA successfully flew stably at a certain altitude, and executed various basic maneuvers within the planned parameters. These test results paved the way for more complex, advanced testing stages, including high-speed tests, extreme maneuver tests, and weapons system integration. This success also marks significant progress in Turkey's unmanned fighter aircraft development roadmap. Beyond just an armed drone, the KIZILELMA is projected to act as an autonomous wingman for manned fighter jets, such as the F-16 and the fifth-generation Confighter jet. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA features a futuristic design with an aerodynamic fuselage and integrated wings, designed to reduce radar cross-section (RC). This configuration provides stealth characteristics essential for penetrating enemy air defenses. Specially designed air intakes and the use of modern composite materials further enhance the aircraft's stealth capabilities. Powered by a jet engine, the KIZILELMA is capable of reaching high speeds, approaching or even exceeding the high subsonic limit. This distinguishes it from most conventional UAVs, which typically use turboprop engines. With its high speed and acceleration, the KIZILELMA can operate in dynamic and high-risk combat environments. One of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA's key advantages is its utilization of artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced autonomous systems. This aircraft is designed to autonomously carry out various missions, from takeoff and navigation to landing. AI also enables the KIZILELMA to analyze battlefield situations in real time, avoid threats, and cooperate with other air platforms. The autonomous formation flight concept allows multiple Kizelma units to operate as a unit, share sensor data, and execute missions in a coordinated manner. This capability provides a significant tactical advantage, especially in modern network-centric warfare scenarios. Another unique feature of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA is its ability to take off and land on aircraft carriers or amphibious assault ships such as the TC. The reinforced landing gear design and robust fuselage structure allow for operations from shorter ship decks than from land-based air bases. This provides the Turkish Navy with strategic flexibility in deploying unmanned aerial vehicles in open waters. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA is designed to carry a variety of domestically produced smart munitions, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, and precision-guided bombs. The internal weapons bay facilitates stealth, while external hardpoints remain available for missions that do not require maximum stealth. This weaponry capability makes the KIZILELMA not just a reconnaissance platform, but a true unmanned combat aircraft capable of precision strikes, limited air defense, and close air support.